Starlink changes the orbit of 4,400 satellites after a near collision with a Chinese spacecraft. The scientific community has warned the world's largest space companies about the possibility of causing an apocalyptic scenario. The successive collision of satellites orbiting the Earth, making their use unsuitable. More specifically, this nightmarish scenario was first proposed in 1978. According to the Kessler syndrome, a collision between satellites could trigger a domino effect of further collisions, fueled by the debris from the damaged satellites. The result would be that low Earth orbit would turn into a satellite graveyard, unsuitable for human use. Today, Kessler's warnings are more relevant than ever. A group of researchers from China recently claimed that a near collision between a Chinese and an American satellite forced the American company Starlink to adjust the orbits of 4,400 of its systems. The collision with the Chinese satellite, which was narrowly avoided, forced Starlink to change its orbit. Almost 40% of all its satellites commented an independent expert, wanting to emphasize the seriousness of the incident. The near accident happened on December 10, 2025, when the Chinese satellite and the American Starlink satellite came as close as just 200 meters from each other. Our satellite had just been launched from northwestern China and missed colliding by only a few meters with the Starlink satellite. At that moment, it was in low Earth orbit, added a Chinese journalist. Shortly after the incident, a high-ranking SPACEX executive identified China's tendency not to share information with other countries as the #1 cause of the incident. He added that as long as Beijing does not disclose such information, the risk of satellite collisions will continue to increase. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.